Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G73 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings and then scroll down in order to find the sound and vibration, which is, as you can see, not far away from the very top. So let's tap on it, and here we have to scroll down a little bit to find the phone ringtone for both SIM slots, because as you can see in this device, because of two different slots, you can pick two different ringtones separately for the first and the second SIM card. So I'll show you how to do it, for example, by using the first SIM card. It doesn't really matter. And after tapping on this option, you can see that we've got this pop-out window with the default ringtones from which we can choose. At the very top we've got the none option, and thanks to this your device will simply not use any ringtone in order to notify you about the incoming call. Or on the other hand, at the very bottom of this list you've got this option add ringtone, and if you will have any files downloaded, for example from the internet, they will appear right here or in any other folder, and you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone, of course, if they are compatible, so if you've downloaded the kind of music file. But let me pick something from the regular defaultly installed ringtones, and in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, we have to simply tap on it. And let me tap on it, and as you can see we can check how they simply sound, and let me volume it down a little bit. So if you've already decided which ringtone you'd like to set, just make sure that it is marked, like in my case this momentum option, and tap on OK. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone in order to notify about the incoming call. So basically that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your Motorola Moto G73. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.